Bro. Dog, this shit is too fast, bro.
I know, right?
God damn.
I know, right?
Bro, this shit is too fast, bro.
Fast as fuck.
It's nothing like the fucking, it's nothing like the C8, bro.
It handles better.
It's like it just,
look at me.
yeah. It's, but you know what's crazy though? You can't do what you want with me though.
What you mean?
In a dig, I don't think you could beat me in a dig though.
It's rear-wheel drive, 900 horsepower, and the car weighs.
Bro, this shit is fast. This shit, bro, you look like a fucking egg in this shit.
I have a fucking launch though. It's crazy,
bro. This shit is crazy, dog. You know, every time I try to like come up with you and like, it's like you just get power way before me and just go, bro.
But it's
like
it starts going, and then once it's twin turbos. Once the turbos hit, it's just shoo.
A few moments later.
Switch whips up. So we got a Trackhawk and we got an SRT Jeep. So what's up with this SRT Jeep, bro?
SRT Jeep will hawk down that hawk any day.
You think so?
Easy, bro.
I don't know, man. I don't know, bro.
Oh, the second that camera was turned off, you were saying otherwise.
I don't know. We gonna have to see, bro. I was saying like,
it don't look like nothing special.
You know what I'm saying? The Hellcat don't have the fog lights.
You don't know what's going on with this thing.
I don't really know, bro. We gotta show YouTube what's going on. But bro got orange calipers, bro. Like that's red, orange calipers. I see the Trackhawk got orange calipers. He got the fog lights. I know the Trackhawk ain't got no fog lights, so
It's an SRT Jeep.
I know it's an SRT Jeep, but
it moves. But it's fast.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This shit fast. I don't know what he got. I don't know what he got in there, but we're gonna have to see. You know what I'm saying? But we got the Trackie and we got the SRT Jeep. So we about to do a little POV, not POV for y'all, man.
All I'm gonna say is it's not a scat pack in there. It's not a 6.4.
So what's in there? You gonna show me?
It's not a regular Hellcat either.
You gonna show me, or you like we just gonna do the POV and then you gonna show me after?
You wanna show them?
Yeah, bro. Just show it to them, bro. Why not? Let's show it to them, bro. Let's show it to them. Let's show it to the people, man. They want to see what's going on in the. This shit is fast. This shit sound crazy too. Okay, he got a swap, upper pulley, lower pulley. So I'm thinking
red eye swap.
Red eye swap,
red eye
right?
swap with a Hellcat blower, injectors, full bolts on, aftermarket transmission. It's got a built tranny. It's got built drivetrain, drive shaft, one-piece drive shaft. They got fucking 9-inch rear end. It's got
this shit. So you put a lot of money into this shit, though.
Bro, I don't know what the fuck's done to it, bro. I bought it with a lot of work done, and I did more work to it.
You know, yeah.
But I'm not. I mean, I didn't build it like I'm not like the most like mechanical type of motherfucker ever. I just know that this thing has a lot of work done. I know what parts I put into it, and I know what parts I bought it with, and nothing on it stock. Literally nothing.
I already know, though.
Yeah. Demon performance brakes. Got the Demon brakes on it.
And this shit look like a sleeper too. You would not even know.
Nah, it looks super.
Yeah, it's a sleeper. You would not even know you got all this work done to it. Huh?
How much your shit making, like 850?
Yeah, like 850.
Yeah, mine's making like 950.
Hey, start it up, let them hear it, bro.
950.
This shit sound crazy, yo. This shit sound insane. That's just way too loud for me, dog. I'm just saying, that's just way too loud. Yo, hear that shit? Can you hear me?
Super loud.
That shit is loud. I can't even hear myself, man. I don't know if y'all can hear me on the video, but this shit is crazy loud, bro. On green, go. On green, just go, bro. On green, once it hit green, stomp on that shit. Huh? On green, go. Once it hit green, okay. Fuck it, I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, and we gonna go. I can't even hear you, dog. And I know this shit giving you a headache. Shit is loud, bro. Shit is too loud. Nah, that shit ain't gonna happen. Don't say that, bro. That's my baby, man. Hey, I think bro recorded.
That's what I said.
He the police? That boy getting that good content.
Content's so good, they want to get it too.
Oh my God, not just YouTube, they want it too. That boy get the fuck out the way. That boy got the hell out the way. Ah, come on, bro. Get out of my way, bro. God damn. Come on, up this way, huh? Come on, baby. Hey, the tunnel coming up. That boy in that Porsche. What you at on? We coming up on that tunnel. That tunnel. That tunnel. That tunnel action. Oh. Good tunnel action, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Oh shit. This shit was insane. Oh shit, that nigga shit loud. Hey, God damn. I couldn't even hear myself. We downtown for a lot of deal cutting out, yo. They be having so much police down there. I hope we don't get. Dang, that boy shit loud. Shit. Shit is loud as hell, boy. We downtown for a lot of there, y'all. So much is going on down here. Uh-oh. Got them cuties right here. Sis. They out here, boys. On a Friday night. They got the thotties out here. The gold diggers trying to catch them one. We hanging out, man. Oh, shit. Yo, what the hell we at? Oh, he know where the fuck we at. Bro, all the cuties out here right now. All the cuties out here right now. Everybody's out here right now, bro. We out making content. Shit crazy. boy shit is loud as hell. I don't think she like round shit. This boy shit loud as hell, man. Got the police right here. Got the police right here. You know what I'm saying? Sheesh. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Everybody outside right now. The city is live. And we're not even in Miami, y'all. We downtown Fort Lauderdale. Shit is lit, yo. This boy shit is so loud. Why is it so loud, y'all? Shit. I ain't gonna lie, every time I link up with the homie, bro, it's always lit, bro. It's always lit, bro. Police everywhere. Damn. He was looking, he wanted to come out the route, you know. Jeez. The police was looking at it as he heard that loud ass shit. We out now. Hey, bro. Hey, when you hit your shit, the cop was like,
I know.
I was like, oh.
The girl too, she was like,
Bro, I was like, get the hell up out of there, man. Bro, he was looking like this. Like, he was about to come fuck with us.
he just didn't know about that wine, baby.
He heard my whine. He heard the whine. He heard that whine, bro.
That's the only whining I want to hear.
Hey, look at bro. Look at bro. Bro, geeking over there. Look. What is that, Tesla? Oh, let's give it to him. Let's give it to him. Nah, it doesn't matter. Let's go. We're going to give it to him. Hey, give it to him on green. Fuck it. Give it to him. We got a Tesla. He's acting crazy right now. He in a Tesla. He in a Tesla, bro. Shit. So we gonna run it. We're gonna try to run the Tesla, you know what I'm saying? He might win, though. But I'm gonna hit it on green. Yep. Tesla ain't nowhere to be found. He ain't nowhere to be found. Hey, did he even try? Did he try to go? There you go again.
Yo, when we get to the tunnel, drive slow. I want to get a wine and shit.
Yeah. I got you. What is that Tesla doing, bro? I ain't gonna lie, bro. You ain't fucking with us. You ain't fucking with us, bro. Anyway, y'all, we just having fun, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was trying to make my videos too perfect, bro. You know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing gonna be perfect, bro. If y'all don't like it, y'all don't like it, bro. If y'all don't like the POVs, it is what it is, bro. Somebody is gonna like it. I'm just out here. We just out here having fun, bro. You know what I'm saying? We just having fun, bro. That's it. I don't really want to be like nobody else. I just want to be myself on YouTube, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to ride nobody way. We just having fun in those goddamn trackies. You know what I'm saying? There goes that Tesla right there. It's all right, bro. It is what it is. state trooper.
Oh yeah.
Police, they ain't doing shit. Ain't nothing like when you just rolling with your homie, bro. You feel me? Switch that shit up, you feel me? I always tell y'all, man, be around positive people, people that got shit going on, you feel me? Be around people that got shit going on, bro. That shit gonna motivate you. Everybody got a potential of what they could do. You know what I'm saying? It's just like if you fucking fat and you go to the gym and you lose weight and your body transform. We all have something inside of us that we could be good. We could be successful. You see what I'm saying? You just gotta unlock that shit, bro. That shit is like stages. You know what I mean? Just gotta unlock that shit, bro. But, you know, I love y'all, man, and I'm gonna drop those POVs back to back for y'all, man, and, you know, drop a little bit of motivation for y'all, man. You know, I want everybody to be great, bro. Everybody. Y'all just gotta unlock your potential. We all got potential to be good, bro. We all got potential to be great. You know what I mean? It's just, you just gotta unlock that shit. You know what I'm saying? But I love y'all, man. Subscribe to the channel. The channel is slowly creeping again. I don't know if I'm all algorithm. I don't know, bro, but keep subscribing, y'all. Keep watching the videos. I'm gonna keep dropping more videos, dropping vlogs, everything for y'all. Stay dangerous, stay safe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.